everybody, are you experiencing crashing for Stalker 2 on the PC? Well, in this video I've compiled every single solution to every single crash that I've found on the internet so far. So the first step you want to do, so I've compiled this onto a Notion page. You want to reinstall the GPU drivers, do a clean installation. So we have to download the latest drivers from your GPU on the manufacturer's website. Download a driver display uninstaller DDU. This one here, it's a free software. Basically, it helps you to uninstall drivers, video drivers. Boot into safe mode, so hold F8 or hold Shift while restarting. Run DDU and select clean and restart. And once the system restarts, install the new drivers. You also want to try to update the BIOS or reinstall or update the game. Now after you've done all that and it still hasn't worked, there are a couple options within the game that you can try that can help. So let me start the game. So here we are within the game. Here you want to go to options, go to graphics, and you want to lower the overall game quality. This is if it keeps crashing, of course. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down until you find FSR3 frame generation, and you want to set this to off. The next thing you want to do is locate the upscaling option here, and you want to select performance if possible, and the upscaling method you want to select TSR or FSR instead of DLSS. For some reason, this causes crashes for a lot of different people. Okay, let me go back. Now, if you've done all of that and it still is crashing, you might want to try to disable full screen optimization. So how do you do that? Well, you right click on Stalker, go to Manage, go to Files, go to Browse, you go to Stalker 2, go to Content, find the game launch helper.exe, right click on this, go to Properties, go to Compatibility. Now there's a couple things here that you want to try. Running this game as administrator seems to solve some issues. Disabling full screen optimization also solves other issues as well. And for some people, running this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 solves other issues. So try these things and see if this does help you. The next thing you want to try is to click on Verify and Repair if you're in the Xbox Game app, or if you're on Steam, find the game, right click on it, go to Properties, go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Files. And the last thing you want to try is to increase virtual memory. So how do you do that? Press Windows R, type in sysdm.cpl. From here, go to Advanced, go to Performance, click on Settings. Now here, go to Advanced. You see virtual memory here, click on Change. This will be checked by default, so uncheck this. And you want to select Custom Size. The initial size you want to set to 10240, 10 gigabytes. And the maximum size you want to set to 20480. And you want to hit Set, and then OK and apply. And try that to see if this fixes your issue. If this did, leave the video a like. If this didn't, leave the video a comment and I will do my best to get back to you.